It was August 27th, 2021. I was going to lunch with me and my wife and the client. We were heading to lunch to Longhorn in Hampton. We turned down Big Bethel Road. I was T-boned at Treetop by a young lady about 12:15 on a Friday afternoon. Had the first accident ever been in my life. We got to the hospital. I was laying in the bed and my wife was sitting in the chair. And I looked over and told her, I said, we can't fight this by ourselves. So we was watching TV, and it's ironic that the Huffman Huffman commercial came on while I was in the hospital. And I told her, let's contact Huffman Huffman and to represent us in this accident. Keith was outstanding. He fought really hard. The settlement from the young lady was fine. It was my insurance company. It was being stubborn. And Keith continued to call back and forth every day. He kept fighting. I remember what my father told me. Don't fight your battles on your own. Always have someone with you. Insurance companies want to rob you and don't give you what you're worth. You don't want a lawyer that's going to stop. Fight for what you deserve. Fight for your rights. It was tough. I can tell everyone it was a tough process, but you just got to continue to hold on to the faith. It's coming. They take care of you. You're just like one of their family. You know, they check on you on a regular basis. They're constantly wanting to make sure you're okay. And I feel like I was treated fairly right here at Huffman Huffman, with no question about it.